Okay guys, so I want to show you what I did, and I'm going to show you how to do it yourself. So if we go to my screenshot website, right, this is where you can upload files, whatever. I made this for a school project, but if I wanted to, say, take a screenshot, I use Gyazo. See my arrow? So I'll use Gyazo, take a screenshot of this over here on this other monitor. Maybe. Yeah, there it goes. It puts the upload from Gyazo onto my website. So there's that, and then there's also gifs. So if I wanted to take a gif of this video, we'll just let that run for a bit. Hit OK. There it goes. There's the gif, and it just plays on loop. So to do this, Gyazo is only partially open source, right? So if you go to Gyazo Win on GitHub, right? This is the open source software for their screenshot tool. So we'll need this. We'll also need a few other things. So let me grab this. I think this has my notes on it. It does not. So we're gonna open up. We're gonna open up my website onto this post that I have yet to post because I know that has it. So let me log in. Posts. Okay. You're gonna need Visual Studio, obviously. I have 2015. You can use 2010 and up. You'll need the web files, which are available here, and I'll go over what those are in a second. You'll need Gyazo Win, which is right here, and you'll need to fully install Gyazo first, because you'll need the full installation in order to do the gifting part. So you download, install it, whatever. So now that you have that, right, you're gonna have to edit the web files. So these web files are exactly what's on, well, not exactly, but similar to what's on my website. So you have config.php, gyazo.php, gyazogif.php, right? So Gyazo alternate, okay, that's not there. I gotta find this, one sec. I know where it's at, I think. Okay, I don't know where it's at. Anyway, we're just gonna extract this then. Extract to desktop Gyazo. Okay. Now instead of going to my desktop, I'm just gonna pull that up. Okay. So here we have config.php, and all that is the domain name. So I have listic.net, or ss.listic.net, because that's what it is. And you leave off this trailing slash. So that's simple. The rest of this you don't really need to edit, but I'll go over it. So there's gyazo.php, and this comes partially from some data I found online about how to do this, and some edits that I made. So this output JSON stuff, this is all from the file uploading system that I had gotten and edited to use for my website. That just got the progress bar working and everything. But pointlessly, it uploads the file under cache files, image database name, image data, and that's it. So you can access the name, you know, all the different things, temp name, whatever. So you can mess with the file. And what this does is it creates a folder inside of uploads with a random name, right here for example, that contains the image that you uploaded. So if we go to this one, or whatever, this video, right? This contains an index.php and the actual video. The actual video, if you copy the video location, we can see the video name is just same path but named like this. So we'll close that. And Gyazo GIF is quite similar. I'll go over how I figured all this out in a bit whenever we move on to the GIF part. So now that you have the web files, you edit the config, you put it up on your website. Very simple stuff there. Now you're going to need to open Gyazo Win in Visual Studio. I already have Visual Studio open, and I already have my Gyazo Win here. So I'll go over the edits I made So you're gonna want to open. You'll start. I close this. You'll start like this, right? You're gonna go into this folder that has Gyazo win.cpp, right? Double click that. That'll stick up there. Go all the way to the bottom, right? And you'll see failed to upload. That's beautiful. So you scroll up a bit, and you'll see this stuff here. Upload server and upload path. They're not going to be what I have. They're going to be, you go into here. We go all the way, here it is. They're going to be these. Upload to gyazo.com and upload.cgi. All you have to do is change that to your domain name and /gyazo.php. Or whatever the directory it is you put that PHP file in. So if you put it in a folder, you obviously put the folder name right after here. So it'd be like folder, you know? So that's it, really. Then you can just build this, right? And if we go in here, open folder, switch it to release and then build it. So go up here, release, then build it. And you'll have this folder in here called release. Open that up and you'll see gyazowin.exe. And if you just test it real quick, you screenshot something, it should go up to your website. And if it's not, you're having a problem, you should probably redo the web files because the web files are having a problem. If your website's down, you'll obviously get the standard Gyazo could not connect to server error. But that's fine. So you're going to copy this exe and you're going to head to wherever you installed Gyazo. The default installation directory is C program files 86 Gyazo. So you're going to go in here and you'll see Gyazo update.exe. You're going to want to delete that because that'll overwrite your changes. And then you'll just paste this in here and that'll override Gyazo win.exe in there. And then you'll see if you use the standard Control-C, it'll upload your screenshots to your server. But if you use Control-G or whatever your keybind is, that will still go up to Gyazo's server. So we got to fix that. So in order to fix this, I think I've covered this much. We're going to need to do a little bit of reverse engineering. Now, to actually figure this out, I had taken quite a while. I used different tools. We go over to here. I used .NET Resolver. That's what I used. And I was just looking through to see what I could find in .NET Resolver, right? It's not in here. Yes, it is. Gyazo GIF. So I was looking through here, just seeing how it worked. And I found that Gyazo GIF app and then show capture window, right? So in here, I found that in here there are the paths for the GIF uploads. This took me quite a while, maybe like 15-20 minutes. So I had to figure out how am I going to edit this. So I did a little bit of searching because I've never done MSIL editing before for strings and resources. And it's actually really simple. So you're going to open up the developer console for Visual Studio 20, whatever, 2010, 2011, 2015 is what I'm using. So you'll go in here, right? Now that we're in here, you have to use ildasm.exe, right? So you're going to type that, press enter, and you'll get this little window. So you do file, open. This is where you're going to navigate to C, program files 86, Gyazo, or wherever your Gyazo GIF is, and open this. So I'm going to open the old one so it looks similar. So you'll see this, right? So you're going to do file, dump, and just hit OK. And now you're going to look for where to dump it. So we'll dump it here. So we'll just call it test because that's what I called it originally. Oh, I don't have permission. All right, we'll put that in my documents then, even though I already have it. We'll call it testing. So now you've done that, you can close this window and you're going to navigate to your documents in the command prompt. So cd c/user/your username documents. Now that you're there, right, you're going to actually pull up this and go there as well. And you'll find testing. These are old too. Those are the ones I actually did. So you'll find test.il, right? So in here, you're going to search gyazo.com. So you'll see these two lines, gif.gyazo.com and gif.gyazo.com/team/upload. We're replace those both with your website. So mine was http://ss.listic.net, and the other one was the same thing. Actually, and you do include the full path to the PHP, so it would be /gyazogif.php. So, and then just overwrite this one as well with the same thing. So you save that, right? And you can go ahead and close that. Hop into here and type ilasm.exe/exe/resource equals testing.res testing.il. Press enter, and you should see operation completed successfully. Now if you go back to this directory, you'll see testing.exe. And if you run that, well, you get an error because it's not in the correct directory. But if we were to copy that and move that to the Gyazo directory, paste that in there, continue, and now I run it, I get the gifing software. If I hit check, it uploads it to my server. And that's it. So that will let you host your own files. Since I know Gyazo has a time limit before it deletes files, being a developer, I need to be able to look back at what I've done. So I set up, oh, that's not at all what I wanted, catalog.php. I set up this, so if I need to find something really quickly, I'm going to eventually have like proper names and everything for it, but there's unknown files, which are what the videos become because I don't have that actually defined. So yeah. That's it. Believe I covered everything. I did. I didn't really go over how you should replace the testing.exe and rename it gyazogif.exe, but I mean, once you rename it and replace it, then when you press Ctrl-G, that'll go up to your server. So yeah, and you won't ever have to worry about it overriding and updating because you deleted the updating exe. So yeah. Let me know if you think there's anything I could do to make this better. Leave comments on the post and I will respond to them as much as I can. You can register on my website through just the login portion. So you go over here, links, login, register. I log out real quick. Okay, can I log out? Yeah. So over here you see register. Oh my god. Register is right here. You click that and then you're able to register an email and username. And you can set your password when you log back in. So yeah, thanks guys.